How to remove last seen recently in Telegram. To remove or hide your last seen recently status on Telegram, you can adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your online status. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, open your Telegram application just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the bottom right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find privacy and security right here. Select it. Then here you can find last seen and online right here. Tap on it. Now from here you can simply choose nobody from right here or only my contacts. Now choose one of these just like this. And after doing this, now no one can see your last seen status. And that's it. This is how you can remove last seen recently in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.